In today's digital age, creating videos for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok without showing your face has never been easier. This method has emerged as one of the most effective passive income streams in 2024. There are countless channels out there making thousands of dollars each month by doing this. However, the main hurdle for most people is selecting the right niche, which is crucial for going viral and generating revenue on TikTok. In this full guide, I'll reveal the top niche that can help you generate passive income with TikTok and YouTube automation. I've personally tested this niche and seen excellent results. Most people spend thousands on courses to access this kind of insight, but I'll share it with you for free, so stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to launch your own TikTok and YouTube automation venture. Additionally, I've discovered a powerful AI tool that creates these videos in mere seconds. Sounds amazing, right? This guide is packed with valuable information, so get comfortable. By the end, you'll be an expert in YouTube automation. There's a reason they call me Mr. Income, so let's jump right into it. The niche I'm focusing on, which consistently draws in views, is the fake text story niche. Check out the examples on the screen now. While this niche does have some competition, it still performs exceptionally well with the algorithm because these videos achieve great viewer retention and average watch time. But you might wonder, how can you create these videos and monetize them on TikTok or YouTube? In this video, I'll share 2 strategies to easily create these videos and start your own TikTok automation business. If you want to make captivating videos with minimal effort, this is the right guide for you. The first strategy is completely free, though it demands a fair amount of time and effort. Alternatively, the second strategy requires a small investment but significantly reduces the time and effort required. Be sure to watch the entire video to explore both strategies and stay until the end to discover the technique that got me these results. By the way, if you want to save all that time of starting a TikTok account from scratch and you want to start earning money right now from your first video, I recommend Tikaccounts.com. There you can get your TikTok account monetized and ready to make money. You have the link in the description or in the pinned comment. First, let's discuss how to generate scripts for these videos. I recommend finding text story videos on TikTok that have garnered hundreds of thousands of views. If a video has performed well, you know the script is engaging. I download the transcript, make some creative changes, and when the scripts are ready, it's time to create the video for social media. For the free method, start by locating a text story template online. Visit this website where you can select SMS message templates and begin inputting your texts. Once the page is filled, download the image. For voiceovers, use ElevenLabs, which offers 10,000 characters for free to try out. Choose voices that fit the age and gender of the characters in your script and generate their lines. Next, you need background gameplay footage. To keep costs low, search for non-copyrighted gameplay videos on YouTube. Find high-quality videos with fewer views so TikTok doesn't flag your content as non-original, and download them using Y2Mate. Once you have all the components, head to CapCut to edit them together. This free method works, but requires significant time and effort. Personally, I value my time and prefer not to spend 30 to 45 minutes on each video. Fortunately, I discovered Vsub, a website that automates this entire process. With Vsub, after signing up, click on the Fake Text Video option. First, visit the settings to customize the voiceover for each character. I like using ElevenLabs voices. You can also change names, profile pictures, and background templates to add variety, such as selecting between WhatsApp's light or dark modes. Input your messages. The right side is for messages you're sending, and the left for the receiver's responses. If you're low on inspiration, use Vsub's sample data to generate a story that you can adjust. One of the most remarkable features is the script generator, which allows you to paste a link from a viral video and automatically create a similar script that can go viral quickly. After entering your messages, click Create Video, and Vsub will take you to the editing page. Customize your video by showing only the text, adding sound effects, and more. The settings are excellent. I rarely need to adjust anything, as Vsub knows exactly when to add the necessary features. One suggestion is to change the background gameplay and tools. Vsub's default gameplay footage might be overused, so choose unique footage from their marketplace. This ensures TikTok won't flag your videos as unoriginal. With Vsub, you have every opportunity to go viral. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click Download. Here's a sample of what Vsub created.
Dad, Mom said you're in the military.
That's correct, my snugglebug.
Dad, I'm not a child anymore. Don't call me like that. Okay, Hannah Banana.
Did you have to get pepper sprayed in your eyes?
No, but I had to do a lot of physical training.
How often will you call me?
I don't know yet. I'll let you know when I find out more, but no promises, honey.
And what about our family calls every week and our daily chats?
You will still have those calls with your mom, but I might not always be able to be there. I'm sorry, Hannah.
That's okay. I know it's not your fault. You're the real hero now.
I am, honey. I have to go now.
Okay.
I'll call you when I have more information.
Good night, Dad.
Good night, my snuggle bug.
Hi, Dad. Do you have any news for me today?
I got my uniform.
My love, I'm so happy for you. Send me a picture, please.
I can't, I'm sorry, but pictures or calls are not allowed at this time.
Oh, okay. Have you texted Mom?
I did, but something kicked me off the family chat, and I can't get back in.
Oh, we'll fix that later on. How does the uniform look like? Camouflage?
Nothing special, honey.
I have to leave.
No, my snuggle bug. Why?
And if you keep calling me like that, I'll start calling you Papa Bear again.
Ha ha ha. Go ahead. Goodbye, Hannah.
Bye, Papa Bear. Oh, never mind. I can text a little longer.
Hooray, what about the college?
Great, Dad. I met a guy there and I really like him.
Oh, really? Just wait till I tell your mom, haha.
As you can see, Vsub is a paid service, so the quality is superior, and it was created in a fraction of the time. If you don't want to spend hours crafting videos from scratch, Vsub is perfect for you. The lowest plan starts at just $29 a month, offering 5,000 credits. Plus, use the code on the screen for 10% off. Check out Vsub via the link in the description and the pinned comment. But listen to this, I also have a little deal. Subscribe and hit the bell notification button, and I promise to provide weekly TikTok tips straight to your YouTube feed. Sound good? See you in the next one.